Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to force to make a copy in Google Drive. So if you're working on a particular design or a slide in Google Slide and you don't want people to mess up your presentation, here's how you can go about it. The first thing you have to do is that you have to first make a copy of your slide. So first you have to go to your search bar and make sure you highlight on the first words that you have on your link till you get to the /. You can see it on you can see it there, starting from the beginning to the last words before we get to /. They are all highlighted. Then just try and change it to copy. You can see that. Then once you do that, you can tap on Ctrl+C on your keyboard. That means you want to copy the entire link. Once you do that, then you can share the link, this particular link, with any of your friends, so that you can only use your design. You can only view your slide without changing anything from it. So just open it, tap on like that. You can see copy document. So whatsoever that have this particular link, this new link, and you change from edit to copy, they will be forced to make copy before they can access to your slide. So I'm just going to make copy of this now. Tap on it, then have asset design without changing anything from it, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.